Hey, how you doing, Jose? I thought I'd remake this video and send it out to you. So I appreciate you for taking the time for watching it and taking the time to talk to me. So real quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do really easily to beat out Boutique Tree. As you see, they're one of your top competitors in the area. They're ranked right here on the Google Map Pack section, and as well as down here on this first page when you type in Atlanta tree service, as you see, you get 720 clicks a month. So pretty high volume keyword out here, and you guys can be there really easily. So real quickly, I know you're probably sitting there asking yourself why I'm making this video for you. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more business. And the only thing from stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I've really found out by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Some owners actually go and do this stuff on their own, and then some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with this information is totally cool with me. My only goal here is to really just educate you and just give you some good quality information. So again, I wanted to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So as you see, here's your guys' website. It's a very nice website. I like the colors. I could tell it's definitely built by a professional. Google cares most about all this content you guys have here. So they typically like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages because in their eyes, that's what's going to keep customers on not only your website longer, but it's going to keep them on Google longer. So they usually like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. As we see, you guys here have about 796 words of content on your guys' page, which is pretty good. As we hop over here to Boutique Tree, you see these guys probably don't even have 100 words of content on their page. So they're definitely not meeting the authority mark here, but and I'll show you why they're outranking you in a second. But my first tip is just to get this homepage up to 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and as well as throwing in keywords that you guys want to rank for in your local area. And a keyword is, as you see right here, Atlanta tree service that gets 720 clicks a month. So this is a keyword. So you want to take all these high traffic, high volume keywords and add them into your home page. So that way, when people are typing this in on Google, Google understands to bring up your guys' page when it's up here front and center when people are searching for those things right here. So that's my first tip. The second tip I want to go over is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree services and other contractors rather than having like Pizza Hut referring back to your website because we know you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use Ahrefs for this when I'm checking this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one. But we see here, you guys have 22 different websites that's giving you a total of 84 backlinks. So 22 websites is sending your website out 84 times. As we hop over here, and you can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using, which is bringing you your traffic. As we hop over here to Boutique Tree, we see they have 146 different websites sending them 570 backlinks, and we see the amount of keywords they're using, which is bringing them their traffic. So backlinks is very easy. You can just come in here. If these links was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you want to just come in here. You want to copy them. You want to take all these links that they have and go out and get them for yourself. A lot of these are free. So you can just come in here, type in your, you might kind of sign up for the website and then you just drop a link to your website, or some of these are blog posts. So you sign up for the blog post, leave a little comment in there, and then drop your website. So again, those two tips, content and backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here past the ads and the map pack. That's what all this is, organic listings. So those are going to get you ranked up here on this front page of the organic listings. If you guys want to be ranked number one right here in this Google My Business section, this Google Map Pack section, which is really important because when people are on Google, this is a lot of times the first thing they see. If you guys want to be ranked here, it has everything to do with citations. And citations are completely free, and you just have to have more than these guys. So a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, Boti Tree has 71 citations. You guys right here with 22. So similar to Backlinks, we can just come in here. We can see exactly what citations these guys have. And you guys should go out and get all these citations for yourself. If they're good enough to get them ranked, they're good enough to get you ranked. And if they have 71, I would suggest to really blow them out the water, I would go get 150 to 200 more citations. And that'll get you pushed up here in front of all these guys right here. So that's basically all I have for you, Jose. Quick recap: I went over just getting content on your page, 1,500 to 2,000, along with those high volume keywords that you guys want to rank for. And then next would be backlinks, going out, getting those backlinks that your competitors have, and going out and getting more as well. And then same thing with citations. So I try to keep this quick, brief, and simple for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me back. My personal number is 775-741-9952. And I appreciate you for checking this out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.